Putting an innovative twist on regular naan or bread gives different taste which no need of side dish. Here we see about Keema Naan. Has a filling of minced meat with spices which gives good aroma and tasty treat. Qeema is a traditional South Asian meat dish. Originally this word means minced meat. Here let's see how to prepare a step 1. Here I have taken 4 cups of maida, which is enough for 5 persons in a family. First make a dough out of yeast, salt, curd, lukewarm water and enough oil. 4 tablespoon oil I have used as shown. Rest this dough for 2 hours for fermentation. In the meanwhile, make a stuffing as a step 2 out of given ingredients and mix it well. Rest the masala for 20 minutes. As a step 3, after 2 hours, Knead the dough and make a big ball. And then flatten it. And stuff with the minced meat masala. Then flatten it and make impressions, which helps to cook well. After flatten the dough with stuffing, cook in the tawa till the bottom get brown on medium flame. After getting brown, you can place it in a pan and brush it with curd for getting soft and brown bread. Now you can place it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 250 degrees centigrade. After 20 minutes, it becomes brown color. Now you can brush it with melted butter with coriander leaves. That gives soft and very tasty. You can also cook without oven in a preheated pan or kadai as shown for 30 minutes in medium flame. Now the soft tasty bread is ready. It can serve with any white sauce or mayonnaise. Try this once and give comment.